Hello everyone and welcome to Celine's Kitchen where happiness is homemade. Wishing you all happy feast.
ಸರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ನೋವೆಜೋಣ ಚಾಪೋನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೊಸ ಅಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾತಿರಲ್ಲ ಕೊರಳದ ಪರ್ವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮುಂಗೆ ಬರಿಸಿದ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
So today Mama is going to show you how to make moong sprout and velari curry.
So let's start. Now let's start making the moong sprout and valerica curry in a traditional way. How they cook in Mangalorean and Karnataka. I have taken 400 grams of moong sprout. Adding the clay pot. I'm adding one onion diced into this. Add required amount of water to boil. We'll switch on the flame.
Let it cook half and then we will add valari in this. ಇದು ಅರ್ಧ ಬೆಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ.
Meanwhile, our sprout is cooking. We'll make a masala. First we'll switch on the flame. So we'll dry roast all the for the masala. I'm adding a little coconut oil into this. I'm adding 15 to 16 Gadgi chili. It's a Kashmir chili. Low flame. We fry all this masalas. Roast the masalas. You can skip the oil. You can add or minus as per your spice taste the chilies.
Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coriander seed,
1 teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon mustard seed, now our masala is roasted. I'm transferring this into my grinder. Take the coconut, fresh coconut. We'll grate the coconut. So I'm taking half coconut for this curry. Now we'll check our sprout.
I have taken 200 grams of valari ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ and will add into this.
Add little more water into this and let it cook. We'll close the lid and let it cook. We'll fry our coconut, little bit dry roast.
Now coconut is roasted and will transfer into the grinder.
We'll fry with little oil, crushed garlic, I have taken 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Now garlic is nicely roasted and nice aroma is coming out of the. We'll switch on this and transfer to the grinder. Now we'll fry 2 tablespoons of rice. Because why we are adding the rice, it thickens the gravy and gives a nice flavor too. Now Our rice is also ready. We'll switch off the flame and transfer to the grinder.
I'm adding small piece of tamarind into this, and
half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add required amount of water into this for grinding. Let it grind into a fine paste.
now our Valerie and monk sprout is cooked.
Now we'll add the salt into this. I'm using rock salt. Add as per your taste. I'm adding little water into this. Let it cook for another few minutes. Now we'll check our masala. Yes, it's finely pasted. So we'll remove this and add it into our moong sprout. This one is also cooked well. Now we'll add our masala into this. Added some more water in the grinder. This jar. You can adjust your as per your consistency. I want little bit gravy. Some more salt. I'm adding rock salt into this. And let it come to a boil, because we need this gravy to eat kottige and along with the rice. So let it come to a nice boil. So it's come to a boil. It's done. And nice aroma is coming out of this, and it is cooked in the clay pot. It's a traditional way how they cook. You can cook it in the whatever you have the vessel, either in non-stick or steel. So now it's done. We'll check the salt. Perfect. Now I'm giving the tempering with the onions. We'll close the steam. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I have chopped onions. We'll give tempering for this using chopped onions. So let it fry till the golden brown. Our onions are ready. We'll switch off the flame and we'll temper.
And our dish is ready. Such a tasty dish, you all must try. The aroma is so tempting. It's mouth-watering and looks super delicious.
Your favorite dish is ready.
Yeah, the aroma is so tempting.
Yes.
Yummy. And with the mama's made kottige, it's going to taste perfect.
Yes.
I love it. And I'm pretty sure that if you all try it, you all will love it too. So for
It's
this,
very healthy. It's a moong sprout with valerica. ಇದು ಮುಂಗೆ ಬಂದ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪದಾರ್ಥ. ಈ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
So for this feast, for this harvest festival, you all must try this recipe. Share this video with your friends and family if you liked it. To me a dish moon sprout curry, definitely try करिए
या फेस्ताक
आणि ये व्हिडिओ लाईक झाले तुमका तुमचे फ्रेंड्स तुमचे फॅमिली कडेन शेअर करा आणि मामाची चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to Mama's channel and share the video.
Thank you for watching.
See you soon with our next series. Bye.
Bye.
If you like my videos, please click on this subscribe button and click on this bell icon so that you never miss out on my videos.